come at you, give you a little weekly update on my customer truck that I've been working on. I got a lot accomplished in a couple of days. I had a whole lot of stuff going on. Whole lot of personal stuff, basically. None of your business. But anywho, I'm finna go ahead. I'm finna show you a couple of clips. I'm not gonna do no whole video of everything. If you got any questions or something, reach out. But otherwise, I'm gonna go ahead and give you a glimpse of just how much I've got done so far. Let's get it. All right, guys, we got strut in, we got lift in. Finna go ahead and probably gonna put the rock lights in and shit. Since I already got the tile, so I might well go ahead and get started doing that. So let's get it. We're moving on to the front side. We gotta put some grill lights in here, and all the rest of these down lights see the bar. We got this in. Got a rock light in under here. And basically what we're finna do, we're finna move from front to back. So we're gonna get everything down to the front, move to the back. I think that's the simplest, more easier way to do this. So I'm gonna probably end up just gonna do it this way. So let's get it. In case you guys don't know, if you ever doing a big 3 upgrade and you ain't got the heat gun, I got one in the shed, but I don't feel like hooking it up because my heat gun is electric. You can use a torch, you can use a lighter, just put minimal heat to it, don't stick it to it like you're trying to burn it, and it'll still melt down. So just a little fun fact, easy way without it if you ain't got no heat gun, man. Nothing major. Let's get it. Great. All right, now I'm working on the inside here. Finna do the radio install. Finna do something down here in the console with switch panels, EQ, cup holders. We finna try to get all this done. So, like I say, I'm just taking my time. This like a day-by-day process. Oh my God, this gonna be one long ass video. I'm letting y'all know now. I can see it now. Cause I'm trying to do the whole truck in one video. A lot of people try to split it up, but I really just do it in one video. Cause the more time I put on here, the more shit I got coming. So let me just, I'm trying to get it, y'all. I'm trying to get it. Let's get it. As y'all can see, it's a bunch of wires every goddamn well, piling every fucking well. Oh yeah, I'm catching hell, but we gonna get it done. Just trying to get everything wired up and mapped out before we start cutting, trimming, and putting the wires how it's supposed to go. Oh shit, that's piling. Fuck this shit. Let's get it. All right, guys, we got the radio in. Great. Got all this working, you know. Got the radio working here. We got his auxiliary port down here. Volume working by steering wheel. Everything working by steering wheel. Awesome. Alright, that's it for the week. Alright. Start out with nothing. Got little cools over here. He ain't doing shit. Got little cools over here. Alright, we got the EQ in, all that. Little centerpiece here. Radio in. Backup camera and all that stuff. Ready to be wide. Next, we'll be working on the doors, and we'll work our way to the back, and then on out of this motherfucker. And then we'll be testing, which I love to do right now, and get that bitch away from me. Testing. Yeah. Yeah, he ain't did shit but pass a damn tool all day. No. Alright, well that sums it up. About out of here. That's it. That's it for the week. We got a whole lot of conflict from the suspension to the lights and suspension lights, dual alternator, bit 5, 6, whatever the hell upgrade I did to it. The radio, the decent little console, all the wiring, hot wire, 2 runs to 0 gauge straight to the back. I went on, ran another run to 0. Little core ran another run to 0. Yeah, about it. That's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Your boy is the fuck out of here.
Wake up in the morning, thank the Lord I'm here another day. Cause I know this shit could've went another way. They ain't to my shit, I'm going the other way. When they gave up on this shit, I just kept going and going. I'm putting this shit up in they fucking face. When my mama left, I swear my mind ain't been right ever since. I be putting it real shit up in these hits. If I don't do nothing else, you better believe I'm going to get a check. Like the beach, when I come around her, that shit make her wet. I'ma just keep my cool, niggas waiting on me to act out. How you mad at me because you owe me money, man, y'all niggas shout out. Taking my counting for weakness, don't know why you do that, you know how I'm coming, it's personal. Telling me lies and want me to really believe it, I'm thinking it's clowns, it's personal. Okay, my number is still the same, you can hit me up. Saying I ain't lit enough, like saying God ain't good enough. That's cow. Why they be playing on my fucking name? Got me feeling like I'm Birdman. Niggas, they gotta be losing their mind for thinking I'm falling off. I ain't going.